The world is on the brink of a computing revolution. Quantum computing promises to unlock unprecedented processing power. Imagine solving problems that would take classical computers billions of years. This is the potential of harnessing the strange laws of quantum mechanics. Microsoft has now entered the race with its Majorana 1 chip. This chip uses a new type of qubit, the building block of a quantum computer. This new qubit is called a topological qubit. It is based on the elusive Majorana particle. These particles have unique properties. They could hold the key to more stable and scalable quantum computers. Microsoft's announcement has sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community, but it has also been met with a healthy dose of skepticism. Microsoft claims that Majorana 1 is the first of its kind. It is built using a new topological core architecture. This architecture relies on a special material called a topoconductor. Inside this material, Majorana particles can be observed and controlled. The chip's design is centered around a tetron qubit. This qubit is formed using tiny aluminum nanowires. These are arranged in a specific H shape. Each tetron qubit contains 4 Majorana particles. These particles are located at the ends of the H-shaped structure. By manipulating these particles, Microsoft's researchers believe they can perform quantum calculations. One of the most striking claims is the chip's potential capacity. Microsoft suggests it could hold up to 1 million qubits. This is a significant leap towards building practical quantum computers. To test the Majorana 1 chip, researchers used a technique called the Topological Gap Protocol, TGP. This protocol is designed to detect the presence of Majorana particles. These particles are also known as Majorana zero modes, MZMs. The TGP involves applying specific conditions to the chip. This includes adjusting the magnetic field strength. The goal is to create an environment where MZMs can exist and be observed. The experiments showed promising results. Researchers found specific conditions where the TGP indicated the presence of MZMs. This suggests that the tetron qubits were behaving as expected. However, the measurements were not without noise. This has fueled skepticism among some scientists. While Microsoft celebrates its breakthrough, the scientific community remains cautious. Several experts have raised concerns about the noise in the measurements. They argue that the results do not definitively prove the creation and control of topological qubits. Some critics point to the limitations of the TGP itself. They argue that it could produce false positives. This means that the detected signals might not be from Majorana particles at all. Despite the skepticism, Microsoft remains optimistic. They acknowledge the limitations of the current technology. However, they believe that further advancements in materials and fabrication techniques will address these challenges. The company is pushing forward with its quantum computing roadmap. They are partnering with other industry leaders. They are also actively involved in research programs funded by organizations like DARPA. The race for a practical quantum computer is heating up. Microsoft's Majorana 1 chip is a significant development. Whether it lives up to its promise remains to be seen. Only time will tell if this is a true revolution or just hype.